Hi guys, my name is Chris, and I will be showing you my Lego Toys R Us with blue truck. It's set 7848, and here's the back of the box. Yeah, there's the truck. So, and there's the front of the box. Let's get on the Toys R Us. First you got the truck driver. I got one of them. And a woman. It works at the Toys R Us. But there's a computer. I'll show you when we get on the Toys R Us. And there's a little kid. And on the back of the legs, there's no dots like the adults one. So, here's the Toys R Us. There's a door here. And there's some stickers, which these are stickers. And two flags. And also little weights of each side. Boxes, two sets, and a motorcycle, two flying cars, and a computer. And last, there's a computer, and there's another piece of this over there, which I lost. So, when I was building it, I was building on the white carpet, and I lost it because it was clear. And here's toy swords and toy guns. There's an extra of one of these. And a car. I don't know what's that anyways. Yeah. It blows off pretty easily. And as you can see, there's a bear. Yeah. And we'll get on the truck. Here's the cockpit. There's a little TV. And a bed. And there's also a chair. And a steering wheel, and a coffee cup. And this can move up and down. Same thing as these and these. And also the chair. This chair was 12. These are the things that if the truck leaves, so it can stand. But if you have this, it won't stand. It won't break. And yeah, you can see inside, which there's Lego boxes inside. Chocolate. Yeah. And one door, two doors on the back, two doors on the side. Yeah. And I have another of that truck that is a yellow. Yeah. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Bye.